Yes, yeah, I'm gonna say this so casually. This other time, I think it was last year, mengenzi iphutha, kukhona umlisa thizeni owatholakala egwaza uzakwabo noma umlingani noma umuntu asebenze naye emsebenzini, emgwaza njengommese. Kodwa into eyathusa kakhulu ngale senzo sakhe ukuthi wayemgwaza emini kabha, abantu bebuka, abantu bekhipha amafoni, bemrekhoda, abanye bemkhuza. When I first saw that video, I was like, he should be arrested. Akaboshwe, afake udilika jele, an eye for an eye, because umndeni walo ubulawa thini mobuka le video. And then why are we trial? Mase we trial, obviously ayikho into angayisho engamkhipha kule nkinga aseyifake kuyona. But wathi mebuzwa ukuthi ubuyenziswa yini lento oyenzayo, wathi ungihlukumeze kakhulu emsebenzini. That was his whole reason. He stabbed his colleague because the colleague yakhe bimhlukumeza emsebenzini. I'm sorry to say this. I hope I feel Gabi. But I'm also not justifying his actions. But I understand. I understand. And there is something I posted on my Facebook. I think that I've posted this thing like 3 times. I was like, have you ever worked in a toxic environment? Ukhona nomuntu osebenza kanye nayo owakwenza uye kumsebenzi ngendlela akuhlukumeza ngayo, noma ukhona nomuntu osesikhundleni esithe asibe ngaphezulu kwesakho owakuhlukumeza emsebenzini wagcina ubonile ukuthi hayi angisase ngeke. The comments I received were around 4,000. 4,000 comments means 4,000 people. And with all this being said, kuthani angibuze yazi ukuthi kuthini kwena. Kuthini kwena ngempela? Kuthini kwena ngempela? Ingane yomfazi siuye kumsebenzi ngesimanga sakho. Uyiphushele ekhoneni izibona ukuthi hayi kunokuthi ngilwe angimane ngihambe. Kuthini like kusuke kuringana ekhanda lakho bantu abahlukumeza abantu emsebenzini, kusuke kuringana ekhanda lakho muvuka ekseni. Usho ukuthi wena muvuka ekseni uvukela ukuthi ngiyohlukumeza liyangane uzongibona kahle namhlanje. Mulala wena uvuka uvula amehlo ucabanga umuntu yomhlukumeza emsebenzini, ucabanga ukuthi uzoyizwa kanjani ipresence yakho. Why? I mean, I will never understand people like that. Nakhona nje ukubukisa ngomuntu esemsebenzini efikela ukuzosebenza. Ubukise njengomuntu uyenze experience yakhe yokusebenza gcine seyizonda. Kwakuthiwa uyithanda kangakanani. Like uzuzani ngokuhlukumeza umuntu emsebenzini? Ikhale minye embezi ingane yabantu. Kube ngathi umsebenzi yawuzonda kanti cha iyawuthanda kodwa hayi uyimele. Hayi bantu abahlukumeza abantu emsebenzini hayi niyenzisisa. Hayi niyenzisisa shame mina ngivume nini. Kusuke sekuthini ke kuwena ingane yomfazi eyondla umndeni. Mengithi umndeni ngikhuluma ngomama, ngo-auntie, ngomkhulu, ngomalume nezingane egcekeni ngaleyo mali eyiholayo. Kuthini kuwena ke ingane yabantu isudela lo msebenzi, isidela isinkwa ngenxa yakho. Nakhona isidela lesinkwa hayi ukuthi khona la isithola umsebenzi khona, incamela ukuhlala ekhaya ingasebenzi. incamela ukuyeka umsebenzi ingena plan yokuthi yaphi ngenxa yokuthi sikhathele wena. Kuthini kwena? I'll tell you this, and I'll tell you this for free, okay? Because I always tell you things for free. Azi ukuthi okwenzayo. Yabona into oyenza kumuntu ithathe as loan la iyobuya khona. Ilokho nje kuphela ngikushoyo.